Jessica Alba was keen to highlight she is both a hard-working mother and non-stop businesswoman. The 36-year-old American star might be an actress and founder of the Honest Company, but she is also a proud mother of 3. Jessica took to Instagram on Wednesday to show fans that there was no switching off one role for another. As a machine could be heard working away off-screen, Jessica gazed at the camera with a slightly inconvenienced expression. Jessica looked a little bit frustrated to be pumping milk at work, but proved she is the definition of a boss image. Instagram, "Can you hear me pumping?" she asked her followers, revealing the source of the machine noises. "It's really fun to pump at work," she added sarcastically, while also using the hashtags. On the 31st of December 2017, Jessica welcomed her first son, Hayes, with her husband Cash Warren. She is already mother to daughters Honor and Haven, born in 2008 and 2011 respectively. Jessica is the proud mother of 3, including recent addition, son Hayes. Image, Instagram, Dan Osborne shares epic throwback from pre-TOWIE years. Best gift to ring in the new year. Cash and I feel so blessed. Haven and Honor are already obsessed with their new baby bro, she announced on Instagram shortly after her boy was born. The other baby in Jessica's life is her company, The Honest Company, which makes household and makeup products designed to be allergy-free and kinder to the environment. The company was valued at $1 billion, £700 million, in 2014, with Alba reported to be personally worth over $200 million, £140 million, following the creation of the company.